G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and delighted to be catching up with Wayne from Grander Australia again. And what we're going to do today is show you how to maximise the life of your outside Grander unit, okay? So people will be well aware nowadays, there's plenty of videos, literature, information on the benefits of Grander water, taking care of your whole home, for your health, all those sort of things. But we need to respect the Grander products a little bit ourselves. They are an amazing product and maybe not the cheapest product in the world, but they will last for an indefinite amount of time if you treat them correctly, okay? So when you purchase a Grander product and the Grander whole house arrives to your home, you will get some instructions with that product. And when you have a look at this video here today, it'll just put it all together for the people, and then they'll be able to get it installed properly. On saying that, you might want to even keep this video and share it with your plumber, because it is vitally important that you install it the right way so that it just lasts indefinitely for you, okay? And so you're able to take care of it every year by giving it a rub over with the petroleum jelly, etc.
So like Rod said, there's very little maintenance, but it's important that we keep it in a waterproof condition from the bottom up, so we don't get sand and snails and things coming up. It'll stay like this in this capsule indefinitely. And so what we do is we have a length of 225 PVC pipe. We have two caps. One goes on the bottom, and we just simply glue that onto we glue the bottom one on so it's waterproof. And then we drill two holes in, which make this Grander unit sit about that far off the bottom so we can get our hand around and maintain it with petroleum jelly. So we just have a couple of nipples that go in like this. So a bit of this plumber will put some plumber's tape on those nipples and tighten them up nice and tight, and that's sealed and locked in, good to go. And then we just put in what we call copper risers. So this makes this module a module on its own, so it can be taken anywhere. So you can put this in, and then when you shift home, you can take it out and put it back into somewhere else. So just like this. Okay. And the same on that side, Rod. Okay. Like I say, this is just a demonstration. The plumber, you'll see from this demonstration, it's pretty straightforward. And then we can just put on outside joiners, what we call joiners, to other copper pipe or poly pipe, depends on the type of pipe that's in the mains. And that there is the module. And so it can be taken, put in on pipes, it can be put on a riser, it can be transported around. And of course, if you're shifting home, of course you want to keep this indefinitely, you will just undo this and take it with you. Beautiful. So it can be built on the bench, basically. Yep, beautiful. That's the go. Keep the air off, keep the moisture and everything off. Dirt. Obviously, at the end of that stage, once it's fitted and installed by the plumber, you then make sure there's no leaks, and then you'll coat it with petroleum jelly. Right. Just a nice coat around there stops the condensation, stops any staining, etc. Beautiful. Okay. Well, that's the go, folks. You've seen it there. We'll put it all together and get this video out to people. So take a look. Give us a call if you've got any problems or need help or anything like that. But this is basically, honestly, the minimum that you want to do, okay? So you get yourself a perfect whole house Grander unit. You want it to last all of your life. So get a good cover like this around it. If you're going to move house, go anywhere, if you want to half bury it under the ground or have it out of the ground, whatever you might do with it, you can see how well protected it is there. And just in closing, security, okay? People are finding out about how good Grander products are, and the community being the community, you just want to make sure it's secure and nobody's unbolting it off your home. So this is also a great way to have it nice and secure in your own home. Okay? Thanks, folks. Thanks very much.